Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson objective. So today we will skip count objects in models to build fluency with multiplication facts using units of 4. Okay, let's go ahead and start with our skip counting. So I'm going to go ahead and X my face out of here. So over here I have groups of 4 cats. So let's see how many cats we have all together. So we have, we have 4 cats. If we add 4 more, we're going to have 8 cats. Then we have 12 cats. Then we have 16 cats, 20 cats, 24 cats, 28 cats, 32 cats, 36 cats, and 40 cats. Okay, so we have 10 groups of 4 cats. All right, thanks for skip counting with me. Now, let's go ahead and use a strip diagram to model 10 groups of 4. So over here, I have 4 cats. And all together, I have 10 groups. So how can we go ahead and use the strip diagram to figure out how many cats we have in total? So I know that I have 4 groups or 4 cats in each square. So just like we skip counted in our array diagram in our last slide, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing here. So we have 4 cats in one box. Here we have 8. Then if we have 4 more, we have 12. Go ahead and continue skip counting with me. So we have 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. So we have 10 groups of 4, which equals 40. So if I were to write this with a multiplication sentence, I would have 4 groups of 10, which equals 40. All right. Oh, there we go. That's how we would do it. So we use the skip diagram to model 10 groups of 4. So we skip counted 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And there's our multiplication problem. So we have 10 groups of 4, which equals 40. And I actually made a mistake because I put down 4 times 10 equals 40, which is correct. That is a commutative property. The commutative property tells us that we can switch our factors around. So both 10 times 4 is going to equal 40, and 4 times 10 is also going to equal 40. But in this case, we don't have 4 groups of 10 cats. We have 10 groups of 4 cats. Okay. All right. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and go over today's lesson objective. So today we skip counted objects in models to build fluency with multiplication facts using units of 4. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this lesson, and I'll see you next lesson. Bye, everybody.